Hi, can you hear me?
Uh, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, so basically today is our fifth day, and we already covered our four number of classes. So today is our fifth day, and today fifth day I will try to discuss about the air quality monitoring. So mainly how we can easily do for the air quality monitoring, and for the mapping the different types of concentration mapping of nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, then methane, then how we can easily make the time series chart of this air quality parameter, and also how to make the download this data. And we also try to learn about that how we can easily calculate it the total emission of any particular gases in any particular region. Okay, so I simply share my screen. Okay, so now can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Okay. So hi and welcome. Welcome to the 7 days online training session on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis from beginners to advanced level. So I am course coordinator, and this is our full course content of 7 days. We completed all of the topics within the 7 days, and today I will focus. Today is our fifth day, and fifth day course content will be that I will try to discuss about the how you can easily make the different types of air quality parameters map. It can be nitrogen dioxide, it can be sulfur dioxide, or it can be methane or carbon monoxide or other gases. How you can easily make the different types of density map in Google Earth Engine platform, or how you can easily make the time series chart of air quality parameters. Suppose you want to observe the what is the condition of air quality parameters. Suppose nitrogen dioxide, what is the nitrogen dioxide condition in the year of 2021, you want to observe this. So you need to make the time series chart. So you can easily make the time series chart, and if you want you can also download the air quality parameters time series data. Suppose you want to need the 5 years air quality parameters. Suppose nitrogen dioxide, you want to need the nitrogen dioxide data, the 5 years data you need. You can simply download this data in CSV file format and work with this. And you can easily convert the different types of units. Suppose you want to easily convert this gases parameter unit mole per meter square to molecules to centimeter square, or mole to meter square, from the ton to meter square. We can easily conversation all of the things, and finally you can easily export this map as a TIFF format and make the map layout or other things using the ArcMap software. Okay, and you can see here this is the two map in this side. So you can see that this is the two map. First map is the methane concentration map of the Kuwait. So mainly this map showing about the methane concentration in Kuwait. So here you can see this unit is the ppb. Okay, and another map also you can see this is the nitrogen dioxide concentration map year of 2020 month of January in Bangladesh. So here we can see also this is the nitrogen dioxide map. Even in this nitrogen dioxide map, here you can see this unit is the mole per meter square. So here we can easily convert this unit mole per meter square. Also you can see this is the another unit, ppb, parts per billion unit. So easily we can do for the making the different types of conversion of unit, and easily download the TP image from the Google Earth Engine platform and make the map layout and other things easily. Okay. Also you can see this is the another map for the nitrogen dioxide levels rebound in Bangladesh. So mainly we can observe this, the 3 time duration observe the nitrogen dioxide in Bangladesh. So we can see here, you can see we can get the 3 time period, before lockdown, during lockdown and post lockdown, and identify the nitrogen dioxide rebound in Bangladesh. Okay, so mainly in this time we will do all of the things using the Google Earth Engine platform. Then we can simply download this data as a TIFF format and make the map layout in ArcMap software. Okay, so in this time I will try to discuss about that air quality monitoring using Sentinel-5 satellite image. Okay, so mainly this Sentinel-5 satellite image is focused on air quality and composition climate interaction with the main data products being ozone, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, formaldehyde, methanol, aerosol, carbon monoxide, methane. It mainly focus all of the gases. So in this time I will try to show you that. You can see this is the main website link, or this is the main dataset link. We can simply go to this link and observe all of the dataset. So I can simply go to this dataset link. So I simply copy this link from here. I simply copy and open in a browser in here. And just open it in my browser. Okay, so it's not copied. Wait a minute. So I simply open my code editor. Then we will go to the dataset from this code editor. So I simply open my code editor. Here there's some networking issue, so that's why it takes some time for opening this window. Okay, so in this time this is my code editor, and I want to open my Earth Engine public data catalog. So I simply click on the search place on this data set, and I can simply click on the browse data catalog. Okay, So now it open a new window and go to the dataset link or public search engine public data dataset link. In this time I want to work with the Sentinel imagery, so I want to need the Sentinel-5 satellite imagery. Okay, so I simply click on the Sentinel. Okay, so now I simply open the Sentinel-5. You can see Sentinel-5 Cropomi, this dataset, tropospheric monitoring instrument. So I simply click to here. And I find out all of the dataset about the air quality parameter in here. Okay, so now you can see this is the Sentinel-5. Mainly this Sentinel-5 mission instrument the collect the data useful for air accessing the air quality, and we can easily monitor the from the atmospheric concentration of the ozone, then methane, then formaldehyde, then aerosol, then carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Okay, so you can easily access from here, and here you can get all of the data set. You can see this is the UV aerosol index. You can see this is the cloud. Also you can see this is the carbon monoxide. Also you can see this is the formaldehyde. Also you can see this is the another text is the nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Also you can see this is the sulfur dioxide. Okay, methane. Okay, all of the data set we can easily access from this link. Okay, in this time I will try to show you that how you can easily import this data set in your Google Earth Engine code editor and work with it. So I simply open my code editor. In this time I will try to show you that how you can easily import this dataset in Google Earth Engine and Earth Engine code editor. How we can easily import this dataset, then how to filter this dataset for a specific time period, a specific region. Okay, then how to reduce this image collection, then how to clip on your shapefile, and how to display the result on the map. Okay, so in this time I will try to discuss about this topic. So for this I simply work with this. So I simply open my code editor and try to show you the practically, so how you can easily do this. And this is my code editor. So first of all I need to import my dataset in here. Okay, suppose in this time I want to work with this dataset. Suppose I want to work with the dataset for nitrogen dioxide. I want to work with the nitrogen dioxide. So I simply click on the nitrogen dioxide and I want to create a map of nitrogen dioxide concentration map of Bangladesh. Okay, so here you can see this is the dataset availability date. We can get the dataset between this time period, year of 2020 from 2022. Okay, we can get this dataset between this time period. Also you can see this is the dataset provider. What is the dataset provided? You can see European Union, ESS, Copernicus. Okay, also you can see Earth Engine snippet. So this is the unique ID of this dataset. Okay, so I can simply copy this ID from here simply copy and then simply paste it. After this you can simply take a variable name. So in this time I simply
Hello.
take, yeah, you can ask me any question.
Hello, I don't hear you.
Any question? Can you hear me clearly? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me clearly? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, just a minute.
Woohoo! Can you hear me?
So wait a minute, just I reload this. Okay, so now can you hear me? Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay, so now I fix the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so I simply share my screen again. Okay. Okay, so now you can see my screen. Yeah.
Not yet. I see you for now.
Now can you see my screen?
No, I only see you.
Okay, so now you can see my screen. Yeah.
No, I only see you right now. I don't see your screen. I see you. You didn't share your screen.
Okay, I shared the screen. Already I shared the screen. You can check. And now I hope you can see my screen in here.
No, I don't see your screen. I see you, not your screen.
Okay. Wait a minute. So I think there is some problem. But I shared this. Wait a minute. Also I again share it. Wait a minute. Okay, so now I hope you can see my screen. Now can you see my screen?
No, I see you. I don't understand why.
Okay, so what's the problem in this time? Now can you see my screen?
No, I only see you.
Okay, so just a minute, I send the new meeting link so that you can join in here. Wait a minute. And then I simply leave in here. I just send you a new meeting link so you can join. Then we also try to share our screen. Okay, so just a minute. Okay. Okay, so now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I share my screen, then we'll start.
Okay. Yes. Just one second. The computer. Hey, are you? Does that mean this?
Okay, so now I hope you can see my skin. Can you see my
Yeah.
skin?
No. Yes, I see without problem now.
Okay, so now
And
I
I
hope it will
hear
be work.
you.
So now we will start from here. So first of all, I will try to show you that how you can easily import this dataset in your Google Earth Engine code editor. So for this, I simply copy the Earth Engine snippet from my dataset. Then I simply just import this dataset in here. Then I also need to put a variable name in here. So I simply put a variable name. My variable name is that I simply put the variable name. Suppose this variable name is that I can simply put the NO2. You can use any name, no problem. I simply put the variable name is that. Then I also need to import my area. So which area I want to show the concentration map of nitrogen dioxide, I need to import this area. So for this I simply import my shape file, and we already know about the shape file. Suppose how we can easily import the shape file into the asset tab. So in this time I simply imported the shape file. Suppose Delhi study area, I want to simply import this shape file in here. Okay, or which area you want to need, you can use any shape file, you can easily import and get the result, no problem. And I simply put the name is that, suppose this name is that ROI. So I simply put the variable name is the ROI. So I simply import my data collection or data set, and then I simply imported this my area of interest which I want to show the nitrogen dioxide concentration map. Okay, in this time I need to filter this map. So I need to filter this map. So in this time I just filter it. So for this I simply take a variable and give the variable name is that suppose you can use any name. I simply put the variable name is that, suppose image. Okay, then I simply call my collection. I simply call my collection, and in this time I simply call my collection is that this is the NO2. This is my collection. You can see my collection, image collection is stored in this variable NO2. I simply call the NO2, and then I simply put my first of all I need to simply use here the filter bounds function. Okay, so filter bounds function I use here so that this full collection is intersecting with my ROI. I simply use here the ROI. Okay, in this time I also need to use here the another function. This function called the filter date function. Suppose I want to observe the nitrogen dioxide in a specific time period, I simply put here the start date and end date. So I simply put here the start date. Suppose I want to observe the year of 2021. What is the condition of nitrogen dioxide in this Delhi? So I want to simply put here, and then I also year of 2021 December 31. Okay, in this time I also need to select my specific band, which band I want to show. I simply use here the select function, and then I simply put here the band name. So here you can see this is my dataset, and this dataset has also band. Here you can see number of column number density, and you can see this unit is the mole per meter square. Okay, you can see what is the description. It will be total vertical column of nitrogen dioxide, ratio of the slant column density of nitrogen dioxide, and the total air mass factor. This is the ratio. Okay, and then I can get this column. So in this time I want to work with this band, so I simply copy this band. You can see this unit is a mole per meter square, so I simply copy this band name and paste here. Okay, so in this time you can check it how many images will be available in here. So I want to check it how many images will be available for my region between this time period. I want to check it, so I simply copy the variable name and paste here, and simply use here the size function, and then click to the run. So now you can see we can get total 5154 images. In this time I want to reduce this image collection. So for reducing, I want to use a function. I can take the average pixel value from this 5154 images. So for this I simply take a mean function, so it will be calculated the average pixel value all of the 5154 images, and I can get the average result of nitrogen dioxide, and it also clip with my ROI. Okay, so in this time our task is ready. So in this time I just simply use here the map.add function, and in this time I simply put my object name is that image. Okay, just paste here the image, and I simply remove one of the in for this time. Simply remove. In this time you can see I want to show the layer. I simply click to the run. You can see it will be worked, but I did not focus my shapefile. You can see it's not focusing center of this shapefile. So for this I also need to use here the map dot center object. And what is my object name? My object is that ROI. This is my shapefile variable name, and I simply put here the zoom level suppose 10, and on complete not ready for this time I simply remove. So when I click to, you can see I get this layer in here, and you can see what has happened. It will be loaded. Okay, okay, so we can see this, we can totally get the black color images because I did not add any visualization parameter in this map. So that's why this map look like this. In this time I want to add here the some visualization parameter, so I can easily get the visualization parameter from here. They are already take this, you can see visualization parameter. I simply copy this visualization parameter from here, and then I simply paste in here, and simply paste here this visualization parameter. Okay, in this time here you can see this is the visualization parameter. They are simply make a dictionary in here. Okay, and in this dictionary they are put here the mean pixel value of nitrogen dioxide. It will be start from the 0 mole per meter square and up to 0.0002 mole per meter square. So in this time I simply copy this visualization parameter from here. I simply copy, and then I simply paste in the object after the object name, and then click to the run. So now we can get the visualization of map, and we can easily identify where the nitrogen dioxide density is high or where the nitrogen dioxide is the density is the low. So here you can see it will be appeared. So now you can see this is the nitrogen dioxide concentration map is appeared for the New Delhi state. So it will work. You can see we can easily identify, this is the red color, it's identify the high density or high dense concentration density of nitrogen dioxide. Oh sorry, this is the nitrogen dioxide NO2. Yeah, this is nitrogen dioxide. So you can see this is the also you can see this is the another low, and also you can see this is the very low. Okay, so you can identify the nitrogen dioxide concentration in this area. Okay, so now we can do for the lot of calculation in this area. Suppose you want to make the time series chart of this, how what is the condition of nitrogen dioxide in this area, or if you want you can also make the download the data from here, also download the data in CSV file format, or if you want you can also calculate it how many nitrogen dioxide is emitted in the year of 2021 for this state, for this region, how many nitrogen dioxide is emitted in the year of 2021. So we can also do lot of procedure in here. So I also try to show you that all of the process one by one. Or if you want you can also export this map. If you want also you can export this map as a TIFF format and make the map layout and other things using here. You can see I already show you that. You can see this is the map when I want to represent my slide. So you can easily export this map and you can easily make the map layout, map title, map legend like this. You can see which when I already work about this, you can see this is the map. This is the same map, just I download the TIFF image from here, and then I can simply make the map layout, map title, map legend, and ready for it for the research paper or presentation work. I just do the same thing. Okay, so if you want you can also do for this downloading the TIFF images from here, and you can easily make the map layout and the map title, map legend, or other things using the ArcMap software for making the map for your research paper or other things. And if you want you can also add here the legend. Okay, so I already covered this part, how you can easily add the legend. You can easily add here the gradient legend, so that we can easily understand using the legend where the density is the low and high. We can easily understand using this legend. Okay, so you can easily add the legend in here. Also you can easily add here the title. Okay, other things you can easily do. So we already covered this part, so in this time I will not show in here again. So I hope you can easily understand. And this is the same process, it's not only for the nitrogen dioxide. When you want to work with the sulfur dioxide, this is the same process. When you want to work with the methane, this is the same process. When you want to work with the carbon monoxide, this is the same process. All of the process will be show how you can easily import, how you can easily filter, how you can easily reduce, how you can easily display the data. Okay, so this is the same process. So I hope you can easily do it. So in this time I also show you the another things is that if you have any question this code, you can ask me any question, any doubt you can ask me.
No, it's okay.
Okay, in this time I also try to show you the another thing. So how you can easily make the time series chart. So when you want to make the time series chart, I can simply open my slide. Wait a minute.